Welcome to another ARdeco Design and Organize video.
My name is Rian.
I'm Abby, and today we'll be showing you our first transformation of our series. This is how almost a decade of usage turned out to be. It held up pretty well knowing everything were all brand new when it was first used. As you guys can tell, there are quite a few mismatched items in the space. The layout is efficient, the dining and kitchen combined is pretty spacious. However, this space needs some Art Deco love, and here is the process of how we did it.
It is very important to plan ahead to be very efficient, and also so we can bring back the cupboard doors exactly where it was before. We also labeled each doors by number, and we'll use the drawing as a reference to bring them all back. Now it's time to remove all the cupboard doors. Finally, the last screw out of all 21 drawers. They're all finally out. And we're gonna go to the next step. So let's go.
After an hour of sanding, we are going to prime all of them now.
This is gonna be our last part that we'll be painting. We're gonna let it cure for 16 hours, and then after that we're gonna be sanding tomorrow and then paint on top. So perfection takes time. Just for everyone's curiosity, why did you choose to go with an off-white color?
To brighten up the space, because the whole space is very dark.
Okay. And why did you choose to go to repaint the handles, which were silver before, now turned to black?
That way it creates a good contrast in between the very bright light off-white with the black one. Now look at how much brighter the room turned out to be. Not just it elevated the look, but more importantly, freshened up the space, which was much needed in here. FYI, we didn't pick a flat white for the paint because we don't like the asylum vibe it can easily give. We switched the original soap bottles into these soap containers. One for hands and one for the dishes. Attention for details. One last thing that I'll point out in this kitchen is the light fixture getting repurposed from frosted white into smoked black with an off-white speckles to give a modern touch.
What is your inspiration? What is your inspiration?
So my inspiration was my parents requested basically a space that is bright and different. Instead of us buying a new cupboard, we opt for repurposing, which is congruent to our business values, which is repurposing. So what we did was we painted the cupboards instead. Our next video will be an organization video, so stay tuned. Do you know anyone that would need our service?
Just send us a message or call 780-707-4834. Our team would love to speak to you and answer all your inquiries. Thank you for watching. Until the next project.